us in the studio. Snap, snap to that shit on the radio. Don't stop.